Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are healthy and fine. In first part, we have discussed about the exterior and interior angles of quadrilateral. Now, in part 2, today we have discussed about special types of quadrilateral and its properties. As we know that there are many types of quadrilateral like parallelograms, rectangle, square, trapezium, kite, etc. Now, few we can discuss today in the second part. First, we have discussed about parallelogram. Here I draw the diagram of parallelogram. This is the diagram of parallelogram ABCD. Why it is parallelogram? Because its opposite sides are always parallel. This arrow shows that these two lines are parallel. Now this two lines is also parallel, so we can make two arrow here. So this shows that opposite lines are always parallel to each other. Now, according to the properties of parallelogram, first, opposite sides are equal. It means AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Second, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. It means this A and C are equal measures, B and D are equal measures. So we can say angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Third, the diagonals bisect always in equal length. This is the two diagonals of the parallelogram which meets at O. It means diagonals bisect each other at equal length. It means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. Fourth one, the adjacent angle, the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. So what is adjacent angle here? Angle D and C, these two are called the adjacent angle. It means the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, the sum of angle C and angle B is equal to 180 degree. The sum of angle B and angle A is equal to 180 degree. The sum of angle A and sum of angle D is equal to 180 degree. Now students, I will give you one questions to you to solve this. Here angle A is x plus 40, B is y degree, C is 2x minus 20 and Z and D is Z. Now we can find the value of x, y, z. So just now we did the properties, and according to the properties of parallelogram, opposite angles are always equal. So we can say that angle A is equal to angle C. What is angle A here? X plus 40. What is angle C? 2x minus 20. X minus 2x is equal to minus 20 minus 40. Minus x is equal to minus 60. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 60 degree. It means the value of x is 60 degree. Now if we can put the value of x in angle A, so angle A is equal to x plus 40 is equal to 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 degree. So it does show that angle A is equal to 100 degree, therefore angle C is also equal to 100 degree. Now how can we calculate y? Now we know the relation, the angle A and B is an adjacent angle, and we know that the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Now come to the properties, that x plus 40 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? We can write the reason, because the sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Now what is the value of x? Just now become 100, not 100, 60. 60 plus 40 plus y is equal to 180 degree. So 100 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to y is equal to 80 degree. Now angle y is equal to angle z. Why? Because opposite angles are always equal length, equal. Therefore angle z is equal to 80 degree. Now students, we are discuss about the properties of rectangle. Here A, B, C, D is the rectangle. Now according to the first property of rectangles, opposite sides are always equal measure. It means this line and this line is always equal. It means AB is equal to CD. Similarly, this line and this line is equal, and BC is equal to AD. Now second property, each angles of rectangle is equal to 90 degree. It means each angle will measures 90 degree. All interior angles is measure 90 degree each. Third, the diagonals bisect at equal. The length of the diagonals are always equal. The length of the diagonal and this length always equal. Length of diagonals is equal in length. It means BD is equal to AC. Fourth, the diagonal bisect each other at equal length. It means AO is equal to CO and DO is equal to BO.